Wait, these solar lights just turned my entire fence into a stadium. And they're clip-on. If you've got dark corners, sketchy driveways, or a fence that completely disappears at night, this might be the smartest outdoor upgrade you'll make this year. Most solar lights are either too dim, die after 2 hours, or take forever to install. I've tested a lot of them, and honestly, most are useless. But these, totally different story. These are the FabStyl Clip-On Solar Lights, 92 LEDs pushing 500 lumens of cool white light, enough to illuminate up to 800 square feet. This isn't that soft, mood lighting solar glow. This is real security-level brightness. The 7000K light makes everything crystal clear, perfect for yards, driveways, fences, or anywhere you don't want surprises. What's this? The PIR motion sensor detects movement from up to 16 feet away with a 100-degree detection angle. Animals, people, deliveries, nothing sneaks by. You also get 3 smart modes: dim until motion, then full blast, a motion-only security mode, and an always-on mode from dusk to dawn. So whether you want safety, energy savings, or ambiance, this handles it. And this is the part that genuinely surprised me: dual charging. Solar during the day, or Type-C charging when the weather doesn't cooperate. A full charge takes only 3 to 4 hours, and the 1500 mAh battery lasts all night long. No drilling, no wiring, no tools. Just clip it on fence, gutter, mailbox, deck, and you're done in seconds. It's also IP65 waterproof. Rain, snow, dust, it doesn't care. This thing is built for the outdoors. If you want better security, cleaner installs, or brighter outdoor lighting without hiring an electrician, this is absolutely for you. Is it bright? Yes. Smart? Definitely. Easy? Ridiculously. These lights solve multiple problems with one simple clip-on design. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. I hope this helped you decide if these lights are right for your setup. If you want to dive deeper into the specs or pricing, check out the link down below. I've also picked out another video I think you'll love. Check it out right over here. I love hearing from you, so drop a comment and let's chat. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to join the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.